Anita, I give you permission and consent to post publicly what you filed against me to get the restraining order. That green folder that was taken away from me at the court, I had very little opportunity to look through it. It was taken away. And if you concealing that, that's not an indication that you know what you've done, what you've filed to the court to get the restraining order against me. So in the capacity, you remove mom's capacity, you keeping her against her will, you're not allowing her to voice her concerns. And I know she's not happy, right? And I don't even know if she's alive. And that's valid concern knowing that 2 other sisters have passed and their communication was kept secret or posted recordings. Mom kept calling police in Carmel, California to asking about mom. I had people investigating about Vasenik, mom's sister, right? And then why is that keep secret? What happened to Kalupse? She was expressing concern. Kalupse's in a room with no windows. And then we found out she's passed. We were told because of recovery from knee or hip surgery. What's the truth? And when I found out from Armais that Vasenik has died, he told me it's better mom and Apo don't know. So knowing that what you're doing with mom, what you did it with Kalupse and Vasenik, so you wouldn't want her to know. And she's concerned in that conversation about palliative care. All the people, her own daughter, Jojo, my brother Vanik, where they dispense too much morphine. It does happen a lot in California, palliative care. It is a valid concern. I don't know if mom's alive. That's why I posted. If she's not, everyone will know you're responsible, how you did it, and why you did it. And that's why you're trying to prevent me reporting it publicly. You're concealing what you're reporting about me. I'm making everything public. You want to fight me making it public, and you're concealing what you've reported against me. So then prove to people and make it public the lies you've. It is crimes that you've, horrible felonies that you've submitted to the judge. Perjury is the very least of it. There's so many penal codes that you violated in the statements you've submitted to the judge to get the restraining order against me, because everything's framed and fabricated. And I can prove it, make it public. If it's not, why are you concealing it? Why is it I have to go downtown and through that bureaucracy try to find it? Why is it I've submitted my request for you to send report of your spending, and you're saying you won't send it unless you legally have to, because you're concealing. And the cops are withholding public information. Their 911 responses to mom's address. Why are they concealing that? I've made FOIA requests. You make a FOIA request and they don't send it, that's a federal crime. Them refusing to reveal the name of the judge who dismissed the case against mom years ago when they filed against her because they decided to exploit mom's condition to use it to keep poking at me and to profit from it, get all the 5150 holds and remove a capacity, and what has resulted in you put it away, get the restraining order against me, and we don't know what's going on, but Mom and Albert is the beneficiary of that special needs trust, which is a fraud. That whole bit, everything is misconceived, fraudulent. Every action you've taken is malicious. And my videos show it. That's why you don't want it revealed. If there was no truth in it, you could prove it. You concealing what you filed, you want what I'm reporting to be concealed. What does that indicate? That you're a fraud, Anita. And you need to come clean. You need to confess.